Here we go again. That is absolutely horrible. How's a dog supposed to sleep hearing that? Sounds like a dying train, like about to just fall off the rails. He has sleep apnea. I mean, there's no way he doesn't. All right, I'm gonna wake his fucking ass up. I mean, Jesus. Hey, Matthew. Hello, Matthew. Wake your little snout ass, snoring ass up. All right, I'm up to here. You know, I'm putting. Hey, wait.
What's
Dude,
going on?
You were snoring
Huh?
so loud.
What?
I mean, am I the only one?
I'm going
here?
back to sleep.
Julia? I mean, don't look at me like that. How could anyone sleep under those conditions? It's bullshit.